to fractions. And really and truly, fractions is a real complication in itself because it consists of parts, but yet fraction should be seen as one number. It has two parts. Fractions can be part of a single object, groups of things, you know, confusing. And that's why you have so many tools or features that are required to really break down how to operate with fractions. And here we go, fraction wall. And this is very common. You see this everywhere. Every elementary child, probably some high school students would have seen this as well. And the idea is to show how the various denominators or the pieces equate. So this is the beginning of equivalent fractions, mind you. Be aware of it. So what do we have here? Well, we have the usual manipulation to find whatever fraction you're using, and then you see the equivalent or the near equivalent. All right? You have some exercises. So, for example, the very basic, the intro that leads you up to actual questions, exam questions. Like I said, it starts with basic stuff, and then you find yourself, wow, answering exam questions just like that. All right? And you start with a challenge. And by reading the challenges and doing this viewing, you start observing, look at this, move this, equate this. You get an idea of what the fraction wall is, how it operates, what it's trying to do, and how you can use it as a manipulative when dealing with fractions. And then you have some games or some interactive features. So, you can select, what is that game we're doing? Disable block clicking. All right. So you have that one. We have, but we're going to leave the match game for last. Let's say real world examples. Wow. Well, we have to start using what we're learning, make it practical. And I think that's the added part of it. Get the kids, the students, the users more involved. So we have some real world examples, and then you have some questions along with. Let's move on from this and get to, for example, match game. And this is quite interesting. You're looking for something that's equivalent. Like I said, the fractions wall is really the beginning of equivalent fractions. All right, and you're searching for something that matches. We had two to four somewhere, and this would match with a half. So right, oh, this is good. Got that right. Not bad at all. So we exit this, and this is the fraction wall. Very simple, very straightforward. Lots of activities with this single feature on this single page, grooving you here again into fractions. That's it. Thank you.